You think you were happy about your character in Pyar Ka Panchnama and Sonu Ke Tito Ki Sweetie?
Now what, babes? Even then I was not happy. I said no to the films. The number of girls that have personally said, एक बार monologue सुना दो. See, I used to look at the girls. मैंने कहा, you know, right? तारीफ नहीं हो रही आपकी उसमें. I believe in writing love letters.
वो गीत का क्या डायलॉग है? I'm a one man woman.
We are waiting for the man to say it. I'm a one woman man. ये बोल दे भाई कोई. I was never a good looking kid. Uncle when I was born had said, भाई ये किसका बच्चा है, मतलब ये तो किसी के फीचर्स कहीं आ ही नहीं रहे. जब ट्रेलर आता था ना मेरी पिक्चर का, तो मैं गिनती थी कि मेरे कितने शॉट्स है उसमें, कि वो 2 क्लोजअप आ गए, ओ 2 डांसिंग शॉट आ गए. द रीजन व्हाई एवरीबॉडी वाज खूबसूरत होनी चाहिए, खूबसूरत होनी चाहिए, इज बिकॉज सारी पिक्चरें मेल गेज से बनती थी ना. आपकी ड्रीम गर्ल किसी ग्रीन फील्ड में भाग के ला 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 नहीं कर रही है. चिक फ्लिक बनाओ ना. व्हाई डिड इट टेक यू 2024 टू मेक अ चिक फ्लिक? कर क्या रहते आप इतने साल? ये जवाब नहीं दिया होगा ना किसी ने आपको.
You girls.
Me bro.
Dream girl on the Good Girls show. Nusrat Marucha. Hi, Nusrat.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good. You let me have food and you give me a cup of coffee. I'm even better now. I'm the best version of the girl you want.
Firstly, congratulations on the success and the love for Chori.
Thank you.
How are you feeling about that? कैसा लग रहा है?
Oh, very good, yeah. Like actually very overwhelmed. Actually waited for this film for a long few years, 4 years. And Chori 1 was the first film that I did which was completely like my film. उसके पहले आई यूज टू, जब ट्रेलर आता था ना मेरी पिक्चर का, तो मैं गिनती थी कि मेरे कितने शॉट्स है उसमें, कि वो 2 क्लोजअप आ गए, ओ 2 डांसिंग शॉट आ गए, ओ एक डायलॉग आ गया ट्रेलर में. जब चोरी 1 का ट्रेलर आया था, आई वाज लाइक सिर्फ मैं हूँ. मैंने कहा वेट, स्ट्रेस हो रहा है. फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड इन अ 2-minute ट्रेलर इट्स ओनली मी. So it's a little overwhelming when the whole film is like about you and you're leading a whole story and a narrative. I think there's a level of at peace right now. That हाँ ठीक है, अच्छा गया. It was good.
Yeah. There are a few things that you said that I want to come back to in a bit. But we'll start सबसे पहले with a segment which is called the Good Girls Report Card.
Okay.
First section is called I've been called.
Okay. I've been called loud. That's the first option. Can I take it? Yes. I've been called bold. Yes. It's now in the article headlines also. I don't understand how, but it's there. I have been called sarcastic. I am very sarcastic. I've been called talkative because I talk a lot. Girl's girl. Yes, I've been called a girl's girl. Dramatic. Oh, with bracket into 3 or X 10 or I don't know what. Guys, what is this? I'm ticking everything. Yes, I've been called sensitive. Is there like a thing with this? Am I not getting? There's a catch. I know it.
There's no catch.
I have
bossy.
actually not been called bossy because I don't actually have anyone to boss around. But no, so bossy has not happened. I've been called too much. Yeah. Rebel. Yeah, in some measure, not entirely. Opinionated. Not so much because I actually don't give my opinion too much unless
Asked
you
for.
put me on camera and
हाँ.
say बताओ.
हाँ.
मैं कहा ठीक है फिर सुनो. उसके अलावा I'm shut up. Brave, yes, I've been called brave.
Yeah. I think when you was mentioning bold, bold ka, I mean bold is a really nice word if you look at it, right?
Yeah.
But it's used in a way that ये लड़की कितनी bold है.
यार मुझे ना अधिकतर ये लाइंस कपड़ों पे आते हैं. When I do some red carpet looks or something, there's mention of a bold look and a bold avatar. Actually, if you think about it, मुझे अधिकतर कपड़ों पे ही मिला है. उसके बाद अगर किसी चीज़ पे मिला है तो I'll tell you has been on the choice of roles I've done of lately. That this was a bold film to take or a bold character to play. Which is actually, if you ask me, the other side is a very different lens. Because they are looking at from the point of view के why would a heroine in her legit prime play a 8th month pregnant woman or play a 7 साल की माँ, बच्चे की माँ, or now again 7 साल की माँ. Maybe those choices which are slightly out of the good choices is looked upon as bold. So ये 2 जगह पे मुझे bold बोला जाता है.
Like I just feel कि when a girl in her prime or an actor in her prime, why is she just supposed to be the what do you say, like the girl who is in love, like the heroine? I mean, why can't a girl, an actor in her prime, play roles like a 7-month old?
Exactly,
है
that's
ना?
हाँ जी एकदम, but that's exactly what your show is, isn't it?
Yes.
The show is that people want you to fall in line with a
Yes.
certain behavior pattern or choices that a girl is supposed to make in her life. They have to fall in place from the do's and don'ts of the society, I guess, run by certain people, I guess. तो उसमें अगर आप थोड़ा भी आउट ऑफ ये जाते हो तो उसको बोल्ड बोल देते हैं क्योंकि आपने एक टो बाहर रख दिया. I guess that.
Correct. The next section is remarks, which means that I am going to take you back in time, when you were in school, when you were a little girl. What
Oh.
kind of remarks used to be on your report card then?
I had a group of friends in school that were called the bad company. So the most common remark on my report card was, ask her to sit away from these people, like not sit with these girls and these boys, because they were the talkative मस्तीखोर people. So I was told कि इसको बोलो अपनी संगत बदले, sit somewhere else, chill with somewhere else, otherwise she is a good child, but in this company she'll lose herself, and then she'll also become one of the chitty chatty मस्तीखोर्स.
Yeah, of course. And a
Well,
remark that you wished for. What did you really want that, यार ये मुझे कभी किसी ने कहा ही नहीं, it was always कि इसके साथ मत बैठो, उसके साथ मत बैठो.
I think, you know, even in studies and all, my teachers then never really looked into my way. I'm saying, I don't know about others. Ki, oh, she has the aptitude for this, but she's not pushing herself. They didn't. I wish they had recognized what I was good at, whether it was maths or whether it was English or whether it was geography. कि कुछ तो एक सब्जेक्ट होना चाहिए था जहाँ उन्होंने कहा था कि यार इसमें there is a spark in her that we see, she should kind of you know, take this path.
Yeah, basically they didn't point out things that you were good at.
At.
Which, yeah.
Or I could have been good at, like have a foresight, I guess.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
How did I do? That was my report card.
I think your report card was very nice. Your report card was good. But I want to ask you a question that I ask every girl on this couch. Were you asked to be a good girl?
All the time. Oh God. I think it was a pattern. Then it said like that. Okay, now listen, don't create a scene about this, or don't cry about this, or don't throw a tantrum about this. Be a good girl, be a good girl, be a good girl. वो सेंटेंस तो ऐसे इंग्रेव्ड है हमारे माइंड में, so much so कि I don't know about other girls who sit here, but I am telling you, if I have a child tomorrow, मैं भी शायद ये बोल ही दूंगी कभी ना कभी कि stop doing this, be a good girl. फिर मुझे सोचना पड़ेगा मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ. You know, maybe I'll question myself then, but बोल तो मैं फिर भी दूंगी. वो इतने ज़्यादा years of conditioning से आता है.
Yeah. And ये conditioning आपके पेरेंट्स आई थी डायरेक्टली या फिर आसपास के लोगों से आई थी?
सबसे, more than my parents, neighbors, दोस्तों के parents, auntie uncles. I remember like I used to be stressed about, oh, what is this auntie thinking of me? Because मेरी best friend की मम्मी है. Her validation also is very important for me, you know, because hi, she's my best friend. So अगर उसकी मम्मी मुझे good girl नहीं बोल रही तो मुझे तब भी दिक्कत हो रही है. So it's not just your own parents, it's like a whole community that you're growing up in together that's kind of putting that pressure on you.
True. I think this validation bit is a trap. And it comes from this conditioning, this validation, seeking validation. And chahe humne, like, now we recognize, you recognize, right? That
I
this was...
recognize it, but I'm still a
Yes.
bloody prey to it. I don't know how to break that. मुझे इस जन्म में बस उतना ही चाहिए that I'm able to see it, but I want to act upon it. I want to act upon it and cut that cord of seeking validation in some form or the other. Maybe I don't seek it now anymore, say for my looks, because I think from the time I was growing up, I was always a tomboy. I was never a good looking kid. Nobody turned, my uncle when I was born had said, भाई कहाँ से, माँ बाप पे बिल्कुल नहीं है, my mom was very pretty. So it was almost like, ये किसका बच्चा है, मतलब ये तो किसी के फीचर्स कहीं आ ही नहीं रहे. To me, wearing my dad's kurtas to college, that also to Jai Hind, where everybody is dressed immaculately, and I was to go in whatever clothes. So I never had anybody like turn and look at me. वो वाला feeling नहीं आया मुझे कभी. I never walked into a room and felt eyes on me, because I was never that girl only. I was always the girl that धीरे से entered, existed in a corner, didn't like too much attention and exited. I didn't like
attention.
people's eyes on me. Don't know why I'm an actor right now. No idea. But I think वो बचपन से मुझे वो वाली नज़र की validation नहीं चाहिए था.
Unfortunately, society में जो beauty standards set किए गए हैं, especially for a girl, that is why perhaps when you say that like someone looked at you when you were born and said कि ये क्या?
किसकी feature आया है इसको?
हाँ, you are able to say this with a sense of humor now.
Yeah.
But did you ever feel bad about this?
I was very like thin and puny and very like petite a person. But yeah, like I knew, like, so from my from the building I stay in, we had like a lot of kids when we were growing up. We used to play with everybody. I remember we were a bunch of 5-6 girls who, there were these really cute boys who suddenly, I don't know, shown up from where. I don't know where they'd come from also. And all the girls were like, you know, let's go get an ice cream in their lane where they hang out or they play cricket. I don't even know what they were doing. And they all said, they all got ready. Yeah. And I was told, तुम भी चलो. तो मैंने कहा, okay. मुझे क्या चाहिए था? आइसक्रीम. मुझे लड़कों का कोई, because मुझे वो नज़र कभी मिली नहीं है. अच्छा, okay, आइसक्रीम खाने आऊँगी. So I went up and told my mom, listen, we are going to eat ice cream. I need to get ready. So mom said, why are you getting ready? I said, I don't know. The girls said get ready, so I have to get ready. गिन चुन के मेरे उतने लड़कियों वाले कपड़े थे. I said, only wear tomboy clothes. So my mom gave me one dressing. ये पहन के जा, इतना ही तो है. मैं कहा okay. So मैं पहन के excitedly नीचे आ गई थी. And I remember we drove down that lane, and all the girls were like looking. Then they spotted the boys there, and they were like, oh, I can see him there. I can see him. मेरा crush है. वो चल रहा है. गाड़ी में बैठे. And I'm like, guys, उतर क्यों नहीं रहे? No, now we can't get up. We're very stressed. They didn't get out of the car, and I said, excuse me, मुझे आइसक्रीम चाहिए. मैं उतर के जा रही हूँ. I got out of the car. I walked. I didn't even look at those boys because I was so sure they are not looking at me. Because they are looking at these girls. Because these girls were the better तैयार होके and the correct look. मतलब सबने बाल मेकअप वेकअप सब किया था. मैं तो कुछ भी चश्मे डाल के ऐसे ही कुछ भी आ गई थी. जैसे मुझे तो कोई नहीं देखने वाला है. तो मैं गई अकेली. सिर्फ मैंने आइसक्रीम खरीदी है पार्लर से. आइसक्रीम खाते वापस मैं गाड़ी में बैठी. मैंने कहा अब चले. और ये सब बैठे हुए हैं कि आर यू मैड? व्हाई डिड यू वॉक देयर? दे मस्ट हैव सीन यू. आई सेड नोबडी सॉ मी. ट्रस्ट मी. चलो. एंड आई केम होम. सो क्या पता क्या होता है व्हेन, अगर आपको एक इंसान ने भी वैसे देखा तो आपको लगता है ओ कुछ तो मेरे में है, तो मुझे देखा इस लड़के ने. बट जब देखा ही नहीं था तो वो आया ही नहीं. इट केम टू मी मच लेटर. आई थिंक इट वॉज maybe one of those few modeling jobs where it took a whole team of professionals to style me. मेरे hair, makeup, कपड़े किसी और ने किया मुझ पे, तब जाके मैं कुछ अलग दिखी. और तब जाके पहली बार ऐसे मुझे लगा कि ओ मुझे कोई देख रहा है. मेरी फ़ोटो है ये. When I did my first photo shoot was for some brand, some fashion shoot. That also the main model who was cast for it, she didn't show up. And I was just a standby person there. So they said, ये लड़की है, इसका कर लेते हैं. So they needed some pictures. So they put me in hair makeup and then they started shooting me and the pictures came out great. So the photographer was like, bro, who's this girl? And I'm like, me? Here? No idea. That's the first time it must have dawned on me कि हाँ शायद यार I would have liked people to look at me like that. But वो beginning से था ही नहीं. तो कभी मुझे ऐसा बुरा नहीं लगा. I think मैं उस that became my comfort space to exist in, if you know what I mean.
Yeah.
Maybe I was hiding in it.
Yeah.
Maybe there was a deep-rooted thing कि अच्छा ये कोई देख नहीं रहा है. I don't know.
Every girl wants to be seen. Everybody actually wants to be seen, not just girls or boys. I want to ask you a question. Ki, when was the first time somebody made you feel seen?
I was in a coffee shop. I don't know the name. One of the first few coffee shops that had opened in Juhu. And I was sitting with my very close friend and I was having a heart-to-heart with her. मैं अपनी बहन की शादी से आई तो मेरे हाथ में मेहंदी लगी थी. मैं बैठी हूँ एंड वे चैटिंग झगड़ा भी चल रहा है, सब चल रहा है. एंड उसमें ना एक गाना बज रहा था वो गाना 2 बार 3 बार 4 बार सेम बजा, तो आई एम थिंकिंग व्हाट इज रॉन्ग विद दिस कॉफी शॉप, सेम गाना 5 बार कौन बजाता है, बट दे रियली लॉस्ट इट. फिर सडनली मेरे टेबल पे एक केक आता, यू आर ब्यूटीफुल वाज द सॉन्ग दैट वाज प्लेइंग एनीवे. सो केक आता जिस पे यू आर ब्यूटीफुल लिखा हुआ है, और मैं देख रही हूँ, उसको बोल रही हूँ, मैंने कहा मैंने तो ऑर्डर नहीं किया, मैंने कहा किसी और के लिए आई है तू, I didn't order this, and why would I write you're beautiful to myself? मैंने कहा babe, what is this? So that person who got it, she said, no, it's from that guy there. I'm like, guy? Where? Like, I think for the first time. I was like, what? Somebody gave me a cake, and अभी भी मुझे वो register नहीं हो रहा है. So he got up from there and he came and stood with me and my friend, and both of us are staring at him. And he says, I've been sitting here for the past 30 minutes staring at you. I have played this song on loop 5 times. होपिंग दैट यू विल लुक माई वे. आप सोचो, अब मैं इधर बैठी हूँ, यहीं बैठा है वो भाई साहब, और मैंने एक बार भी रजिस्टर नहीं किया कि मुझे देख रहा है कोई 30 मिनट से. मैं इतनी ज़्यादा क्लूलेस हूँ टू दीज लुक्स. ही सेड आई हैड टू प्ले दिस सॉन्ग 5 टाइम्स टू गेट योर अटेंशन. एंड आई फाइनली रियलाइज कि तू तो देख ही नहीं रही है. मैंने फाइनली केक भेजा, एंड आई एम लाइक, इन माई हेड आई एम थिंकिंग, 1 सेकेंड, यू थिंक आई एम ब्यूटिफुल? मैं तो उधर ही अटकी हूँ. मैंने कहा, यू डेडिकेटेड, यू आर ब्यूटीफुल टू मी. एंड आई एम लुकिंग अराउंड द कॉफी शॉप. मैंने कहा, लड़कियाँ नहीं है क्या आज यहाँ, मतलब व्हाई इज ही लाइक डूइंग दिस टू मी? आई वाज दैट बेब. देन ही सेड, बट आई कैन सी कि आपके हाथ में तो मेहंदी चढ़ी है, आपकी तो शादी हो रही है. मैंने कहा, हाँ, आई एम गेटिंग मैरिड, यस, दिस मेहंदी. एंड देन ही सेड, आई लॉस्ट माई चांस. मैंने कहा, ओह यस, यू लॉस्ट योर चांस. एंड ही टर्न्ड अराउंड एंड ही वेंट अवे. एंड आई वाज जस्ट लाइक, what just happened? That was the first time I felt that somebody looked at me.
I want to say you're beautiful.
Arey yaar. Thanks yaar. My day is made today. I will play that song on loop in my car now.
I don't know if that helps now after so many years. I mean, of course you know you're beautiful now, by now.
Thank you.
Okay, I want to talk a bit about your because you know आपने बहुत जगह बोला है, and you've always mentioned how supportive your parents have been.
Yeah.
And I relate to that because I don't think I would have been sitting on this couch अगर मेरे parents ने मुझे encourage नहीं किया होता, and they really did not put me in a box, you know, like how you mentioned, sometimes it's always people outside. Okay, so individual memories मुझे जानना है आपसे, like when did you feel for the first time that you have the best mother or the best father?
I think with my mom, it's always been the times जब मेरी पढ़ाई में मार्क्स नहीं आए. वो एक्चुअली मैं बताऊँ, एटलीस्ट मेरे लिए ना, जैसे मैं आपको बोला मुझे कॉफ़ी मिल गई, मुझे ये मिल गया, मैं बचपन से बेसिक चीज़ों से ही अपना मेरा वर्ल्ड कंप्लीट हो जाता है. क्योंकि मुझे ऐसा लगता है बड़ी चीज़ें तो मैं लड़के खुद से ले लूँगी, ये जो बेसिक चीज़ें हैं ना, जो रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में आप ग्रांटेड ले लेते हो, दैट्स व्हाट मेक्स द मोस्ट डिफरेंस टू मी. बट एनीवे, सो फॉर मी विद माई मम ऑल्सो वो दोज मोमेंट्स जहाँ आज पढ़ाई में कम मार्क्स आए, अगली में आ जाएंगे, इतनी कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, बट माई मॉम वुड फाइट फॉर मी इन द हाउस. शी वुड से, अरे चिल, क्या है, क्या हो गया, मार्क्स ही कम आए, कुछ नहीं हुआ है. शी वुड फाइट दैट लिटिल बिट ऑफ अ 5 minute बैटल के रिपोर्ट कार्ड घर आया है तो मम्मी क्या, पापा क्या बोल रहे हैं. मेरे भाई एक्चुअली कज़न ब्रदर है, बट ही वॉज वेरी दिस थिंग, वो क्या बोलेगा, कहाँ से डांटेगा मुझे. माई मॉम यूज टू टेक दो स्टैंड्स फॉर मी. माई मॉम यूज टू ऑल्सो टेक स्टैंड्स फॉर मी when I said I want to go out with friends, and there were no questions asked. There was no लड़के हैं नहीं है, लड़के होंगे भी तो have fun, कोई बात नहीं, घर आ जाना, बताते रहना कहाँ है, किसी PCO से फ़ोन कर देना अगर बहुत टाइम हो गया तो, but just let us know, it's okay. Like I think it was my mom who dragged me to a store once, कपड़ों का store, and said मेरी बेटी शॉर्ट स्कर्ट पहनेगी, और मैं चेंजिंग रूम से बाहर ही नहीं आ रही. मैंने कहा, are you mad? इतने सारे लोग खड़े बाहर, मेरे पैर दिख जाएंगे सबको. मैं कहा, पैंट दो मेरे को, मैं शॉर्ट स्कर्ट में बाहर नहीं आ सकती हूँ. दैट वाज मी. एंड माय मॉम वाज फोर्सिंग मी, आयु इतनी अच्छी तो लग रही बाहर. मैंने कहा, नहीं, मैं नहीं पहनूंगी शॉर्ट स्कर्ट. आई वाज दैट. तो आई थिंक इट वाज दो स्मॉल मोमेंट्स विथ मी दैट आई फेल्ट माय मॉम इज जस्ट सो अहेड. मैं भी नहीं पहुँच पाई हूँ. मतलब आप बच्चा जिद करे ना, मुझे यही चाहिए, वो बच्चा जिद नहीं कर रहा है, माँ बोल रही है ये ले. It was that for me, at least with my mom.
Yeah.
With my dad, बेस्ट तो खैर उसकी समझ बाद में आती है, बट दैट कंफर्ट ऑफ कि हाँ आई कैन लाइक बी हाउ एवर आई वॉन्ट टू बी एंड टॉक अबाउट लाइफ एंड टेल हिम वॉट इज हैपनिंग came when he first time said कि you will drink your first alcohol with me. जबकि मुझे दारू पीनी भी नहीं थी, बट उनके दोस्त आए थे तो पापा ने कहा मेरी बेटी विस्की पिएगी. मैंने कहा क्यों पीऊँगी, मेरे को नहीं पीनी. नहीं तू चखेगी, मेरे साथ ही चखेगी. I don't know why. I took 2 sips, I hated it, but I felt like he made me part of his normal world.
I don't even think that it's about the alcohol here, because
It's about
again,
it's about the inclusion.
Yes.
He included me in his world.
yes, and also I think him saying that this is your safe space.
Yeah.
You can be
Where you want to be.
the way you want to be with me. I think ये इतनी बड़ी चीज होती है for a father to do, especially for a daughter,
girl.
for a
That's
girl.
exactly what
Because अगर लड़की दारू पी रही है तो वो एक गंदी लड़की है.
Exactly. Exactly.
She's not a good girl. I think my father also made this comfortable. I आज भी मैं पापा के साथ बैठकर एक बियर पी सकती हूँ. It is not uncomfortable. But I also feel that, and tell me if that again reminds you of something, कि मुझे कब ऐसा लगा कि this man will be here for me even if nobody else is. कि when I was actually in a class and I was like 16-17 and उस time पर आप एक teenager हो यार, so like लड़कों से बातें करना and all of that is, you have those feelings. So I was talking to a guy, almost dating a guy. So वहाँ पर जो मेरे teachers थे, तुम्हारे पापा को बुलाना पड़ेगा, you have to call.
हाँ घर पे बता दो.
हाँ नहीं, मेरे पापा को उन्होंने ऑफिस बुलाया कि आपकी बेटी ऐसा कर रही है,
उसका
ये बात. हाँ मतलब फोन पे चैटिंग करती है बहुत ज़्यादा and all of that, and all kinds of things they were said. Okay, and I remember I was outside that office feeling humiliated that my father is having to go through that humiliation. And मुझे लगा आज तो मुझे डांट पड़ेगी. अभी यहाँ से गई मैं, but my dad took me on his, पापा बुलेट चलाते थे तो उन्होंने मुझे बिठाया, पूरे रास्ते ही was quiet. तो मुझे लगा अब तो मुझे और भी डांट पड़ेगी. The first thing he did after we reached home was he made me sit down and then he asked me, तुझे सच में feelings है क्या उस लड़के के लिए? And I was like, I didn't know how to respond. I was like, you are 17 years old. It is okay to have these feelings.
Yeah.
So अगर feelings है तो बता सकती है. इसमें कोई डरने वाली बात नहीं है या इसमें कोई ऐसी शर्म वाली बात नहीं है. That is the moment I felt like, even if nobody is with me,
he is there.
He's there for me.
My father, actually, I felt this throughout my life because I don't have a brother. Do you have a brother? No.
I have a younger sister.
I don't even have that. So there was actually no one else to play that part or to fill that void. And ये आप बारीकी से देखो ना तो यही चीज़ें आपके बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक्स और लेयर्स बनती है लाइफ की. उस वक्त मेरा बेस्ट फ्रेंड होता, भाई होता, छोटी बहन होती, तो शायद पापा के साथ वो वाली रिश्ता नहीं बनता जो अब वो भाई भी है, वो बेस्ट फ्रेंड भी है, वो बहन भी है जो नहीं है. He just, and my mom, both of them took on those roles, I think, for me because there was no one else. Very late in life, yeah, I don't even remember it, I don't think. There was somebody who I was dating early on in my life where I was very young. How old was I? Damn it. 20, I think. And the first ऐसे serious वाला relationship जिसको बोल सकते हो, उसने मुझे बोला भी नहीं, उस लड़की ने, मैं कहीं थी. He showed up at my house with flowers, went to my dad and said, we've been dating. She's not told you. I'm telling you. My father's like, whoa, what? And then he says, but I'm serious about her and I want to like marry her and I want to take this properly. So I'm coming to tell you that I want to bring my parents home to meet you. मुझे कोई आइडिया नहीं, दोस्तों के साथ चिल कर रही. मैं घर गई, फ्लावर्स देखे तो मैंने कहा अरे एक ही इंसान भेज सकता है. मैंने कहा पापा को क्या लगा, फ्लावर्स कहाँ से आए, मैं तो थी भी नहीं टू हाइड इट, टू मेक अप अ रीजन. सो आई सेड ओ फ्लावर्स, ओ आई एम थिंकिंग क्या बोलूँ. माय फादर सेड योर बॉयफ्रेंड सेंट इट. आई सेड आई डोंट हैव अ बॉयफ्रेंड. ही सेड या यू डू. एंड देन ही सेड सिट. आई सैट एंड आई एम लाइक ओ नो. आई सेड हाउ डज ही नो, आई एम लुकिंग एवरीवेयर. मैंने कहा कैसे पता चला. एंड ही सेड अब वो बॉयफ्रेंड नहीं, वो शादी करना चाहता है, तो क्या करना है तुझे. मैं इस बात से गुस्सा हूँ. मैंने कहा क्या. मैंने तो शादी सोचा भी नहीं. उससे कैसे सोच लिया. मुझसे तो पूछा नहीं शादी करनी है आपसे. मतलब what? So my father straight up, I think at that time told me, see, we don't know him. You have gotten to know him. You've chosen to be with him. if this is what you want to do, I think you're too young. I think you have a long life ahead which you can live, and then decide if you want to get married this early on in life. I think for my father, he always saw कि मेरी बेटी कुछ बनेगी, पढ़ेगी, कुछ करेगी, फिर शादी करेगी. He didn't really think कि 20 साल में रिश्ता आ रहा होगा कि भाई शादी कर लो. So he said, I am somebody who is not very pro you getting married so early. But if you feel it, and if you think he's the person you want to spend the rest of your life with, then we are really no one to take that choice of life away from you. It's your life. You have to live it. You have to be happy with that choice. पहली बार मुझे ऐसे लगा कि ओ आगे की ज़िंदगी जीने की choice मेरी है. I think that was the feeling he gave me first, which is for me, I think, one of those building blocks of knowing that I can choose the life I want to have.
Yeah.
And he's given me that freedom to do that.
Because of this, I'm sure you have such high standards when it comes to the kind of
Boys?
man you want to
Note.
get married.
Why am I single? Footnote, guys. A foot and a note. For you.
Because मेरे standards बहुत high हो चुके हैं,
Unreal.
है ना?
कोई match up ही नहीं कर पा रहा है.
Acha, I was thinking when you were talking about the whole thing of, you know, this thing that a girl needs to be pretty, you know, and especially in this industry as an actor that is obsessed with girls being pretty and जहाँ beauty standards पता नहीं क्या है. I am just thinking, how did you navigate this space then when you felt that, yeah, I'm not conventionally pretty?
I don't know. I have no idea how I navigated it. I still think, at least when I was coming of age in that way, or grooming myself, or in the process of it, at least I didn't have social media like this then, dude. At least I didn't have this pressure of wearing these clothes, looking this certain way. Everybody you see has some look that they're doing. Everybody you see has a great sense of fashion and style, and I mean there's so much pressure put onto it. मैं पापा के कुर्ते पजामा पहनती थी कॉलेज, गाइस. मुझे पता नहीं था वो फिट होते हैं नहीं होते हैं. I had no idea of what sense of style and looking good even meant. Even to when we had prom nights in Jai Hind, I had no clue what to wear to a prom night. I said, होता क्या है, पहनूं क्या? I had to ask another senior person from college to tell me, by advice, what should I do? I can't come in this. Then I was introduced with this concept of evening cocktail gown. मैंने कहा वो क्या होता है? What do I do? Where do I find that? And then I was shown shops and like stores where I can go and see it and buy it. And भाई बहुत लंबा जर्नी था मेरा. मुझे तो सच में नहीं पता how I made it.
हाँ, स्पेशली व्हेन यू एंटर्ड द इंडस्ट्री, जब फिल्में स्टार्ट हुई तब तो और भी ज़्यादा ये प्रेशर फील हुआ होगा ना?
बहुत. और मुझे पता ही नहीं है, आप मेरी पहले की कुछ फिल्में उठा लो, आई डिडंट इवन लुक एट द मिरर. आई हैड नो आइडिया कि लिपस्टिक, मस्कारा, हेयर, ये सब कौन करता है, कैसे होता है, मेंटेन करना पड़ता है पूरे टाइम, टचअप करना पड़ता है. आई हैड नो आइडिया.
I mean, you know, there were two actors on this couch. I was talking to Sabaz Shreya
Yes,
Mantri, ठीक है? तो they were also mentioning that कि ये ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड इतना ज़्यादा ऐसे इम्पोज्ड है ना, इसकी वजह से अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं मिलती हैं.
Which is unfortunately the state of, I'll say, films. I won't say content, because there's a lot of other content which has come up now, where in fact if you're pretty, you don't fit that. Because जैसे अगर कहानी एक छोटे शहर की एक बेसिक सी गर्ल नेक्स्ट डोर की है, तो if you are very pretty, you're not being able to fit in that. They're not saying that that's not convincing enough, because you are too pretty for it. You need to look like a actually normal average girl next door. That's when they're able to find those characters in those things now. I'm saying वो भी एक बहुत large section of content है जो हम बहुत ही दिल से कंज्यूम करते हैं, और हमें बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि भाई क्या काम किया है. तब आपकी नज़र उसकी सुंदरता पे नहीं, उसके काम पे जाती है.
बिल्कुल.
तो वो जो काम किया है वाला स्पेस खुल गया है ना, उससे आई थिंक दैट स्ट्रेस ऑन जस्ट बीइंग प्रिटी हैज़ बीन लिफ्टेड ऑफ, एंड इट्स मोर अबाउट व्हाट यू आर डूइंग. बट या फिल्म्स, आई थिंक द रीज़न व्हाई एवरीबॉडी वाज खूबसूरत होनी चाहिए, खूबसूरत होनी चाहिए, इज़ बिकॉज सारी पिक्चरें मेल गेज से बनती थी ना. अब एक लड़का प्यार उसी से करेगा जिससे वो उसे सुंदर लगती हो लड़की. अब बट वो उस लड़के की कहानी, उसे ये लड़की सुंदर लगती है तो उसी के लिए गाने गाएगा. फिर एक डायरेक्टर के लेंस में वो लड़की सुंदर भी लगनी चाहिए तो सॉफ्ट लेंस लगेगा. फिर बाल उड़ेंगे, दुपट्टे लहराएंगे, वो भागेगी और ब्यूटीफुल फील करेगी. मतलब यू नो दोज थिंग्स आर जस्ट फिगमेंट्स ऑफ आर इमेजिनेशन ऑफ व्हाट वी एस्पायर फॉर आर गर्ल टू बी. क्योंकि हमने पिक्चरें मेल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखी है. अब थोड़ा हम रियलिस्टिक आ गए हैं कि भाई एक सब आपकी ड्रीम गर्ल सी ग्रीन फील्ड में भाग के ला 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 नहीं कर रही है. शी इज मे बी गोइंग टू वर्क गाइस, मे बी शी इज फाइटिंग अ बैटल्स, मे बी शी इज unkept and she's like lost and you have to just go and hold her hand and say babe I got you, chill.
Yeah,
you know, in your worst looking state with nothing around, I'm still here, I love you and we got to do this together.
Yeah.
वो shift हो गया है बस.
Yeah, and thankfully and gladly.
Gladly, yes.
Yeah. But what's the biggest battle you have had to fight as an actor? बहुत सारे होंगे.
I think my biggest was to go from ensemble cast, which if today I was in an ensemble cast would have been a very different deal. But then nobody knew my name also. I was called the Panchnama girl, but there were 3 girls. What is my name? Nobody knows. So I think my biggest battle was to go from there to be the only girl in a film. I won't say the lead of the film because the film was about the 2 boys actually. The only girl in the film, and now we know her name, was my battle because I started with ensembles.
But were you like now when you look back, you think you were happy about your character in Pyar Ka Panchnama and Sonu Ke Tito Ki Sweetie?
Now what babes, even then I was not happy. I said no to the films. Pyar Ka Panchnama one.
No, I'm just talking about from the way the character of the girl was, how the girl was represented.
I have no problem with it. Absolutely not. I would do it again in a heartbeat and love what I'm doing. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया playing Neha, playing Chiku and playing Sweetie. Even though all 3 were very far from who I am and very unrelatable to me, and I had my own fight with the writers and the director कि मैं इसको करूँ कैसे. मैं कन्विंस ही नहीं हो पा रही हूँ कि ये लड़की ये क्यों कर रही है, ये लड़की ये क्यों बोल रही है. वो मेरा बैटल था. But did I have fun doing it? I loved it. Would I do it again? 100%. Provided people are seeing it correctly.
Yeah.
वो एक कॉमेडी फिल्म थी. हमने 3 लड़कियों को दिखाया जो ऐसी सी थी. हमने नहीं बोला सारी लड़कियां ऐसी. So even though I didn't like the film and I didn't like my character, personally, I'm still somebody who really enjoyed playing it and I would do it again because I cannot judge a character. I'm not supposed to judge it.
Yeah.
ठीक है चलो हमने ये किया. कोई और डायरेक्टर लड़की के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोल देता.
हाँ.
चिक फ्लिक बनाओ ना. Why did it take you 2024 to make a chick flick? Why? कर क्या रहते आप इतने साल? And the number of girls that have personally said, एक बार मोनोलॉग सुना दो. क्या बोलोगे आप? मैं कभी कभार ऐसे शॉक थी. आई यूज्ड टू लुक एट द गर्ल्स. मैंने कहा यू नो राइट, तारीफ नहीं हो रही आपकी उसमें. हाँ 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 बट प्लीज़ एक बार प्लीज़ सुना दो भाई. लाइक आई वुड नॉट वांट टू हियर इट अगेन.
Yeah.
But there were people who wanted to hear it again. We made a film for those people only. They only spent money and said हाँ भाई बहुत बड़ा मजा आपकी पिक्चर देख के. मैंने कहा दोबारा आओ प्लीज देख लें.
Personal life में कोई rom-com? I'm sorry to be asking you like this. I was just trying to make a
No,
joke.
please.
But
Please.
what I mean to say is, what's happening? Why are we not finding love?
I don't know. I'm increased. I've been asked this question I don't know how many
Of course,
times.
I'm sure.
I have no clue. I see great stories of 2 people who've actually found love and have come together and are able to make a great life. We have seen enough examples of that. People are taking braver choices in picking their partners. They're not getting confided with what the world is saying or what gharwala are saying, parents are saying. People are taking their own risks and their own choices and their own, you know, this is the person I love, this is the person I want to be with. अभी देखी जाएगी, अच्छी बुरी जैसी होगी काट लेंगे हम एक दूसरे के साथ. वो भी है. दूसरी साइड पे the loneliness level of people is also great. The number of divorces we are hearing after marriages also are going up. So I don't know where we are headed. And the whole thing of let's not be in a relationship and call it a situationship or a nanoship or a, I don't know, guys. Are there more words? I forgot to tell me. I would love it.
Gen Z's बताओ यार क्या
What
eye contact ship.
I love this reason.
Can somebody tell me what is eye contact ship?
You make eye contact with the person, but
Yes.
you never speak to them.
What the?
So like someone in your
मुझे नहीं पता भाई. Guys, I'm sorry. I believe in writing love letters. I will
Yeah.
actually I will write love letters and I will post it to your house. कि मेरी ये feelings है तुम्हारे लिए. मुझे नहीं समझ आता ये. And I think I'm far too clear to fit into these labels that people have made in relationships today. I'm very clear. If I'm saying I'm with you, then I'm with you, bro.
Yeah.
Then I will not look at another person. I will not. वो basic flirting भी करते हैं ना. नहीं, flirting नहीं, क्या होता है? What is that thing? We are just chatting.
Chatting.
मैं वो भी नहीं करती. एक है तो एक ही है भाई. वही है. जब तक वो है तब तक वही है. Cannot do anything else.
वो गीत का क्या डायलॉग था? I'm a one man woman.
One man woman. हाँ.
हाँ,
गीत
one
तो
man
हर
woman
लड़की
ना.
का यही डायलॉग था. इतने टाइम तक.
हर लड़की
We are waiting for the man to say it. Actually, I'm a one woman man. ये बोल दे भाई कोई. It's ridiculous.
Okay, I want to talk a little about जैसे ना everybody right now is saying and कि यार फिल्में तो अच्छी बन ही नहीं रही है, थिएटर्स खाली है, फिल्में तो बन ही नहीं रही है, there is no work, there is good films are not being made. So I have two questions. One, are you as an actor feeling this gap?
Yes.
Are you feeling it?
Yes. I'm feeling lesser films are being made for practical reasons and purposes. I won't make a statement क्योंकि मैं इंडस्ट्री से हूँ. अगर मैं कह रही हूँ यार फिल्में बन नहीं रही है तो आई हैव टू क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं बन रही है. देन आई हैव टू गो बैक टू द मैथ ऑफ इट. सेइंग हम 2 साल पैंडेमिक में थे, जो प्रोजेक्ट स्टार्ट होने वाले थे बंद हो गए, बट किसी के तो पैसे लगे थे तो वो पैसे डूब गए. जो ऑन फ्लोर्स थे, जो थोड़ी बहुत छूट हुई थी, वो पिक्चर आई गई किसी को पता नहीं चला बिकॉज कोई गया नहीं, तो उस बेचारे प्रोड्यूसर सबका सारा पैसा डूबा. सो पीपल बिकेम वेरी वेरी to put in money because they had lost the money. And I think there was a lot of setback we took financially because of that. उसी का percolation effect हम आज भी देख रहे हैं. Because पिक्चर ऐसे नहीं बनती है यार. आपको राइटर को पैसे देने पड़ते हैं, आपको डायरेक्टर को साइनिंग फीस देनी पड़ती है, वो 1-1.5 साल कंटेंट पे बैठ के क्रिएट करते हैं. For 1.5 years you have to make sure they are paid because they are on your job. तो it's a lot of money you're putting into something. If you don't know कि इस पैसे का आपको रिटर्न मिलेगा तो क्यों डालेगा इंसान. ऑडियंसेस नहीं आ रही है थिएटर्स, उनकी भी फॉल्ट नहीं है, थिएटर बंद थे, उतने में उनकी आदत पड़ गई घर से बैठ के करो. तो अब अगर आपको घर पे वो कंटेंट मिल गया है, इट्स गोना टेक अ लॉट फॉर समवन टू गेट अप एंड से मैं थिएटर जा रहा हूँ. तो अब हमारी मुश्किलें एज मेकिंग फिल्म्स और बढ़ गई है बिकॉज नाउ वी गॉट टू गिव देम कंटेंट विच इज मेकिंग देम गेट अप फ्रॉम देयर कंफर्ट जोन and come to a theater जहाँ वहाँ वो बैठे बैठे consume कर सकते हैं content.
Yeah.
That is also a challenge because we are not being able to crack what is it that the audiences want to get up from their beds to come to a theater to watch.
Yeah.
There are also films that have done well in this time and films that were 12th Fail did well, Madgaon Express did well. I तो say these as examples because इनका किसी ने सोचा, we didn't think it would do so well.
Yeah.
But it did very well. So now people are like, oh, you know what, this audience is liked. Great, let's make something like this again. That's when you're opening up another market to do similar content or another content like this where audiences will come in. तो ये थोड़ा ट्रायल एंड टेस्टिंग पीरियड चल रहा है. हो जाएगा ठीक और कोर्स करेक्ट हो जाएगा. Just we need some time.
Yeah. And lastly, एकदम beginning में you mentioned that you know how happy you are right now because finally there's a film you are leading.
Yeah.
ठीक है. And you mentioned कि पहले ट्रेलर में 1 शॉट 2 शॉट होता था. So now, are good roles coming your way? Is my question.
See, I'll again put this in perspective. After the pandemic, because the number of films only have reduced, obviously the number of opportunities have reduced. Means I know of films that I have said yes to, but they have not been able to start because there's a whole math to it which needs to be set in place जो नहीं पढ़ रहा है सही. But does that mean I'm not getting the opportunity? No. So you see how the answer is not black and white always, yaar. अगर अब मैं 1 साल और कोई पिक्चर नहीं करूँ तो लोगों को लगेगा भाई इसको तो पिक्चर ही नहीं मिली.
काम
ऐसा
नहीं मिल
नहीं है भाई, 4 पिक्चरें ओके करके बैठी हूँ मैं. बट आई ऑल्सो थिंक फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. आई एम एडवाइसिंग माई प्रोड्यूसर, आई डोंट थिंक यू शुड गो ऑन फ्लोर्स नाउ. वेट, गिव इट सम टाइम. डोंट पुट ऑल योर मनी आउट देयर एंड देन टेक अ सेटबैक कि फिर आप दूसरी पिक्चर बनाने के लिए खड़े ही ना हो पाओ. वो मत करो. डू इट एट अ टाइम वेर यू ऑल्सो आर श्योर कि भाई थिएटर लोग आएंगे, पिक्चर को पैसा थोड़ा तो ऐसे ऐसे से अब बना लोगे. सो द अपॉर्चुनिटीज आर देयर, दे विल टेक सम टाइम टू फ्रूटिफाई. इज
Yeah.
my answer, guys.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Okay, we have one quick and final segment for you. This is called the firsts. So these are questions about the firsts in your
Oh
life.
my god. First friend in the industry. Nice question. My producer of my very, very old film, I will not take the name, Percept Pictures, Akhori Sinha. He was my producer, but also like a mentor, like an elder brother to me, because I was a child when I started. And he saw that she's a girl who's come from a very different like world and has no idea either kya karna hai. And my mum was on set with me at those beginning years, and he went out of his way to give me advice about how I should move ahead in my career if I choose to be an actor. तो वो जो उन्होंने दिल से बैठ के मेरे से बातें की थी ना, इट रियली ओपन माई माइंड. एंड ही वॉज अ वेरी वेरी वर्ल्ड व्यू, वेरी स्मार्ट, वेरी वेल रेड, वेरी इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन. सो हिज वर्ड्स देन रियली मेड मी. And then for a long number of years, he kept checking up on me, kept checking on my mom. Is she okay? Are you guys okay? So I'll say Akhori Sinha.
Okay. Yes.
Oh God. Second में ही आ गया guys. सोचो. When you think ये pick नहीं होना चाहिए चिट.
क्या?
First relationship.
बता दो कौन सी age? How old were you?
Age. I don't know. Maybe 9th, 10th standard.
Okay.
And it was very funny. I was actually in love with someone else. Love मतलब I was love क्या था उस वक्त जो भी था. I was crazy about another boy and I thought it was love. We were all children then.
Yes.
But he was dating somebody else. So I was very miffed by that. And then his very close friend asked me out. I said, okay, sure. But that didn't last very long because there was nothing there. So it was a short relationship, but that was my first relationship.
Yeah, and first relationship.
And he's still a very close friend of mine. Can you believe it?
Wow.
Close friend.
So you can be
I
friends
can friend.
with.
Yeah, I can.
Okay, I have picked up for you. First friendship breakup.
एक लड़की थी who I really liked her, and I really felt like she was one of those solid friends, you know. But I really don't know why. With time and with her, so my mom also kind of says that, you know, you guys were, I said, I know, and it really hurts me that she's not in my life and I'm not in her life, and we are not able to be in each other's life. कुछ होता है ना कि कुछ हुआ नहीं, झगड़ा नहीं है, बट एक दूसरे को हमने वो वक्त ही नहीं दिया. वो अलग अपनी ज़िंदगी में चली गई, मैं अलग चली गई, और पता नहीं कैसे वो एक ड्रिफ्ट हो गया, तो वो दोस्ती खत्म हो गई, and it really bothers me.
Female friendships, I think, are also very,
very, very important.
What do your female friends add to your life?
They become anything I want them to become. I think that's what they add to my life. They can be a wall guarding me against everything. They can be a door opening me into infinite possibilities. They could be a window for me to just peep and see, भाई सब ठीक है, नहीं है तो बंद कर दे वापस अपने आप को. They are everything for me. My girls.
Yeah.
ये जवाब नहीं दिया होगा ना किसी ने आपको?
Your girls.
It's me, bro.
Okay, first rebellion.
First rebellion. I remember this very clearly. Is me wanting to go back to Jai Hind College from KC College. It was my first rebellion. Not only with my family, my parents were okay. I went and fought the education board. I said I need to choose the college I want to go to. Just because I have admission here doesn't mean मैं इधर ही बैठी रहूँगी. मुझे जाना है. तो मैं लिटरली धरना किया था बाहर. 4-5 दिन ऑफिस के बाहर बैठ के रोई थी मैं. मुझे वापस जाना है. I want Jai Hind. I want to go back. I want to go back. I want to go back. They gave me my papers and let me go. But I cried for those 5-7 days. I did full dharna. First rebellion.
First rejection.
It was something I auditioned for at a very big producer director. It was both. And I had auditioned. I was very young then. I was just auditioning anywhere. And I got a letter saying, we're very sorry, we're not going to be able to cast you in this one. Something else in the future. Signed so and so. And I still have it filed. I have it filed in my file of, it's my rejection letter, and I love it. And the day I work with that person again, I will go with this letter. मैंने कहा hi.
First time you felt empowered as a girl.
कुछ गलत हुआ था, let's just say that. अब मुझे नहीं पता मेरे अंदर से कहाँ से क्या आया, मैंने खींच के थप्पड़ मार दिया. It was my first slap also of my life. I never slapped people. I think after that also I didn't slap anyone. I don't know. मैंने खींच के थप्पड़ मार लिया and I was like, एक मिनट, दो और खा. एक मारा तो भी दो और खा. I don't know where I got that thing from, but I was able to do it. So maybe that moment was very empowering.
Nice. Yeah. And last two. First period.
Oh God, I was in class. I was giving an exam और मेरा white and black stripes का ये था uniform, like a dress. And मैं पेपर दे के ऐसे उठी हूँ and it was full red at the back. So मेरे पीछे जो एक लड़की बैठी थी, very sweet, she said, Nusrat, sit down. मैंने कहा, I finished my paper. No, sit. I sat down. I said, what happened? Don't get up. मैंने कहा, what is happening? She said, you've got your periods. So I said, what? I didn't know what that was. मतलब still like वो सुनने में समझ आपको 2-3 महीने आ जाए तो you know what it is. हमने वो क्या होता है? So then she gave me her sweatshirt which I tied around my waist and went home. But that was the first time. I don't even know how many people saw it because मैं तो उठ गई थी ऐसे. First period was that.
But this शर्म was there a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा थी शर्म कि अगर
I'm talking when I was in school.
Stain दिख गया तो भाई
10-15 साल की बात कर रहे हो. Of course था यार.
हाँ. नहीं, this शर्म is अभी भी it's there. It's not, वो stigma अभी तक गया नहीं है ना?
बिल्कुल नहीं है.
Yeah. And lastly, your first trolling experience. Oh.
यार पहले के कुछ चीज़ों पे हुई होगी तो I don't know. But I think the first time I went and read and I noticed and then I called it out also was जनहित का जब campaign शुरू हुआ था, जनहित में जारी. तो we had taken out 2 posters which were actually done to kind of call out the wrong नज़र कि आपका नज़रिया गलत है. Because जनहित was about a girl who was saying that you have to protect yourself. If you have unprotected sex, लड़के को कुछ नहीं होना, प्रेग्नेंट आप होने हो, फिर आप सोचोगे अबॉर्शन करूँ ना करूँ, आप सोचोगे बच्चा पैदा करूँ ना करूँ, उसमें 50 प्रॉब्लम्स और होती है, तो इट्स दिक्कत फॉर यू ओनली, इट्स उसको कुछ नहीं होना है. तो देन वाई आर वी डिपेंडिंग ऑन हिम बाइंग द कॉन्डम एंड कमिंग? वाई आरंट यू बाइंग इट योर सेल्फ? टुडे ऑल्सो गर्ल कैन नॉट गो टू अ केमिस्ट एंड से कॉन्डम दो. 4 लोग ऐसे देखेंगे उसको तो वो बोली कि भाई मैं नहीं जा रही. वही तोड़ना था, तभी वो पिक्चर की थी कि go and ask, it's your right to your own body and your own life, it's your protection, you go and ask for it. तो वो फिल्म उस मुद्दे पे थी एंड हमने एक कैंपेन किया था जिससे ये था कि लड़की बात सही बोल रही है बट आप देख उसे गलत रहे हो. तो 2 पोस्टर्स हमने फर्स्ट लॉन्च किए थे जिस पे बहुत ज़्यादा सेक्शुअल कमेंट्स थे और बहुत ज़्यादा अग्रेसिव कमेंट्स थे. दैट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम आई थिंक आई फेल्ट ट्रोल्ड. And I put out a video also where I actually put out all the comments. मैंने कहा ये comment, मैंने इसको पूरा वीडियो बनाया. मैंने कहा ये सारे आपके comments हैं. I don't understand how, but है.
Yeah. So trolling for women on internet is so sexual, no? The hate is so sexual. वो सीधा आपके body parts पर आते हैं. अभी भी you are still getting trolled. I remember there's a video जिसमें you were at a ramp walk and you moved aside a girl and people are saying कि oh she's such an attitude and
क्या बोलूँ मैं. एक तो she was not even a model. She was one of the designers. She was one of the children from NIF class जिसको रैम्प शो, सेंटर स्टेज वो सब नहीं पता है. तो भी क्या करूँ मैं. Now she's in the center and there's loud music going on and मुझे पीछे से बोला गया आप जाके अपनी जगह पे बना के खड़े हो जाओ. और कैसे जगह बनाऊँ? How do I do it? And any forget a showstopper, any model who walks center stage, she comes center stage, she stands center stage and then she turns and goes back. वो तो basic है.
what came out of it was that Nusrat is not a girl's girl.
Yeah.
She's not a girl's girl. She is demeaning another woman.
क्या बोलूँ मैं. Anyway.
yeah, I think you, as an actor, you just, this becomes a part and parcel of
Can't do
your,
anything.
your life every day.
Can't.
Yeah. But thank you so much.
Of course,
You know,
very
I
happy to
know
be here.
that you have been running around with no food in your stomach.
You give me some food, which I'm very happy about. I'll let you have coffee in your show.
And yet you took out time to be on the show. So I firstly want to thank you, and I want to give you something.
I get a gift? Oh, I get something better.
Just a flower.
How sweet. Thank you. चलो किसी ने फूल तो दिया.
ये feeling last कब आई थी?
यार बहुत टाइम तो नहीं हुआ. I guess in September, October or something. I did have somebody send me flowers at home. It's just कि फिर वो अगर सही इंसान से मिलता तो ज़रा बेटर फीलिंग आती. वही होता है, जिसमें हमें इंटरेस्ट होता है वो हमें कुछ नहीं देते, जिसमें हमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं होता वो हमें देते रहते हैं. तो हम लाइक क्या करूँ? What should I do? But yeah, I got some flowers in September, October last.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I can take the flower?
Of
Oh,
course,
okay.
it's yours.
Thanks. I thought maybe it's like for your next prop or something.